So we worked on some fractions this week and we had a really hard time with some of it. So I've got some stuff that's maybe going to help us clear it up and understand it a little more. But I should warn you, I'm in a zoo. Seriously, I'm really in a zoo. At any time, you might see a lion or a tiger or a panther or any other kind of cat. I'm going to go ahead and warn you, just in case. Alright, so let's get busy talking about these unit fractions. I know that word is so frustrating. It's so simple, but it's so complicated. So how can we figure this out? Well, I think I have solved the problem. So, if we look at this right here, see this wonderful block of cheese. Wonderful cheese. It's this big round block. Well, if we cut it up, we have 4 parts. So the unit fraction is one of those parts. So our unit fraction is essentially 1/4. In other words, one part of our giant cheese wheel is 1/4 of that cheese wheel because we divided it into fourths. So 1/4. 1/4 is our unit fraction because that is one part. So let's check out this one. Here we have some moldy cheese, let's say. Delicious, huh? But it's been cut up into more pieces. In fact, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So the unit fraction is one of those pieces. What fraction is one piece? Well, this is one piece. So what fraction would that be? If I took away one piece, what fraction is that going to be? 1/8. So our unit fraction for this moldy piece of cheese is 1/8. Alright, how about this one? Oh, this one's super moldy. Blech. Blech. Anyway, this moldy cheese over here, we divided it into 3 sections. So 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections. So what is the fraction of one part? Just one. Only one. Well, let's see. If we take it away, that's 1/3 that we took away. 1/3. So 1/3 is our unit fraction. So again, to reiterate, our unit fraction is just one piece of the whole. Well, let's take those unit fractions and turn them into real fractions now. We're going to use our unit fractions to determine the part of the whole that's shaded in this case, or colored. Alright, so here we have our beautiful cheese again. Nice, pretty cheddar cheese. And it is divided into 4 parts. So this is 1/4. Hang on. Let's make it where we can see it here. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. And this is 1/4. Remember, our unit fraction was 1/4 because each piece is 1/4. Well, how many fourths do we have? We have this one, and this one, and this one are all shaded. So how many fourths is that? Well, 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 4, or 3/4, is shaded. Let's try another one. Ooh, here's our moldy cheese. Yummy. All right, remember, each piece is equal to 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. This is hard. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. This piece is 1/8. And this piece is 1/8. So each one is worth 1/8. Well, let's see how many 8s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoopsie, 4 pieces, 5 pieces. So how many 8s do we have that are colored? That's right, 5 8s. 5 out of 8 are green. 5 8s. All right, one more, and this one's really easy. You can do this. Remember, what is our unit fraction? Well, there's 3 pieces, so 1 piece is 1/3. 1 piece is 1/3. 1 piece is 1/3. So, how many pieces are colored? What fraction is colored? Well, here's 1/3, and here's 1/3. So that's 1, 2. 2/3. 2/3 are shaded. 2 pieces out of 3. 2 1/3. Look, 1/3 plus 1/3. That's 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And remember, your denominator can never, ever, ever, ever change. Never, ever, never change. Never. Your denominator is always the same because you always have that many pieces in that piece of cheese. Always. So there's always 3 pieces in this one. There's always 8 pieces in this one. There's always 4 pieces in this one. So my denominator is 4. My denominator is 8. And my denominator is 3. My denominator never changes for that piece of cheese. Ever. I know. It's really cool, huh? Well, the kitties are hanging out. I got a kitty over here. I got a kitty over there. I got a kitty over here. I got another kitty around here somewhere. There's kitties everywhere. So maybe you'll get to see them next time. But for now, I want you to work on those unit fractions and determining how the fraction of the shaded area. Good luck!